Hey, what's up, refinance holders? So this is the live price prediction of refinance, but definitely, my friend, I will told you, my friend, about the refinance very bad terms. So therefore, you can see minus 6.81%. The price will fails down. So what's the main reason behind that? What's the main reason, my friend? Everything I will, my friend, discuss you. But kindly, if you are new my channel, so kindly you will need to subscribe this channel for more this type informative videos. My brother, minus 6.81%, the price will fails down, and absolutely I have found two main reasons about that to the coin why it fails down. So refinance holder, the first reason is that to definitely, my friend, when a coin will take a very huge jump, so therefore, my friend, refinance in previous days very good, my friend, take a very good jumps now. So therefore, after these good jumps, they will fails down. So therefore, the main reason is that, my brothers, to every cryptocurrency will moving in this circulation. So after a jump they will dumps, and after dumps they will pumps. So therefore I will notify you to don't worry. After a huge jump they will fails down, but after a fails they will also take a very huge jump now. So this is the first and main reason. And the second reason is that, to especially in those days, my friend, when a short term investor they are starting selling, so the coin will fails down. Absolutely, they will, my friends, starting selling, because, my brother, when they see a huge jump, so they were starting selling and take a good profit. So therefore I will tell you to kindly don't sell it, hold it. You will need to hold it. I hope they will give you a profit. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time.